What's good, everybody? Rants Reloaded. We are back. This is part 2, how to get your Nintendo Switch fixed. The first fix that I showed y'all or told y'all about was literally when your Nintendo Switch breaks or bricks doesn't turn on, call Nintendo, tell them what the problem is. They're going to do some troubleshooting. Once they realize that your Nintendo Switch is not coming on, they're going to tell you, okay, if it's past 100 days of you buying it, you're going to have to spend like $100 and something, maybe about $111 with tax. With that, they don't charge you right off the way. They charge you right when they fix it and send it back. They just want a credit card on file so they could charge it. Now, with that being said, that is the paid way to get your Nintendo Switch fixed without opening it up, going on YouTube, going on somebody's channel, doing a hard reset and holding buttons and this, that, and the third, because you know it's not going to come on. Because pretty much if you plug the charger in and it doesn't turn on and the screen turns orange, you're finished. So now this is the free and, well, it's the free way to get it fixed. Get your PlayStations, get your Nintendo Switches from GameStop. GameStop has a policy. If you buy your Nintendo Switch from them, and at any time your Nintendo Switch not breaks, crack screen, that's not involved. If your Nintendo Switch breaks, you can take it back to them and they will give you a new one if they have it. So that's the fastest and easiest way to get your Nintendo Switch fixed without having to stay on the line with Nintendo or go on a YouTube channel and do a YouTube search on how to fix your Switch. The easiest way. The first way, send it back. If it's under 100 days, it's free to get it fixed. If it's not, it's about $111 with tax. They send you the UPS barcode, so you could just go to UPS, put it in the box, and send it. The second easiest way, just go to GameStop, buy your Nintendo Switch from them. And if you don't believe me, you could call it. You could call GameStop, or you could go to your local GameStop and ask them, what are the perks of me buying my Nintendo Switch from y'all compared to going to Walmart or going online or going to Target or Best Buy? They will tell you. And this is as of today. And I just went there today to buy Monster Hunter World, which is downloading in the background. And I asked them, and I said, what options or services do y'all provide? And the lady was like, look, if you get your Nintendo Switch from us, if it breaks, meaning if it bricks, can't turn on, and you done tried all of this, hold down, this, that, and the third, they will replace your Nintendo Switch free of charge. That's the easiest way I know to get a Nintendo Switch fixed, and I feel that's cool. I think that's a dope service, especially coming from GameStop, doing it due to the fact that they're going through all of this scandal, and in a couple of years they might be extinct. But for now, you are able to take your Nintendo Switches back if they do not turn on to GameStop if you buy them from GameStop. So if you buy them, hold your receipt and this, that, and the third. Your stuff will probably be in their system. So, but if you buy it from GameStop, you pretty much can just get a new Switch if yours breaks. Rants Reloaded. I hope this was valuable information. If you can, like, subscribe, and share. Peace.